Homework out. Yep. I hope you guys are ready to do homework because it's homework time. Let's get to it. You should start on page 172. Okay? 170. Whoa. 172. Sorry, my computer was being silly there for a second. Boom. 172. You will find. Oh no. Come on. Don't be like this. Okay. 172. Here we go. A bag of grapes weighs 5/8 of a pound. Thank you for that number. Before any were eaten, the bag of grapes weighed 4 times this amount. Okay, what is the weight of the original bag of grapes? This is just simple fraction multiplication. Here we go. 5/8 times 4 equals, multiply straight across. What's 5 times 4? 5 times 4 is 20. 20 what? 28. Now we could be done, but it's time to start using the better answer. What's the better answer? It's not hard to figure out. I'll show you. Watch. All it takes is a little bit of drawing, and you'll see it. Let's draw a fraction model. Start with like a rectangle, and that needs how many spaces in it? How many pieces? Well, look at the denominator. You see an 8, don't you? So make sure it's got 8. There you go. Now we need to shade in 20 of these guys. I think it's pretty obvious that one of these is not going to be enough, because one of those only has, oh darn it, it didn't clone the whole thing. One of those only has space for 8 of them, and we're going to need 20. So I can already tell that we're going to need like 3 or 4 of these guys. So let's just get that ready, okay? And while I'm cloning, you can be drawing too. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Let me erase that real quick. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, draw a line. 1, 2, 3, draw a line. 1, 2, 3, draw a line. There we go. Now we've got all of those, and they all have 8 pieces, 8 squares, whatever you want to call it, because of the denominator of 8. Now we've got to shade in 20 of them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not done yet. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That makes sense because 8 plus 8 is 16. But we're not done yet. 17, 18, 19, 20. Huh. Okay. We did it. I guess we didn't need 4. But that's okay that we drew an extra one. No harm done. Now what we need to do is see what the better answer is because of our drawing. Because our drawing helped us find a better answer. It really did. 20/8 is okay, but it's not the best answer. The best answer would be to look at this drawing that we just made and go, okay, so that's one whole, that's one whole, and this right here is 1, 2, 3, 4 out of how many again? What was the denominator? Check back. The denominator was 8. And then you just add that all together. What's 1 plus 1? 2. And then the 4/8, it gets to get added to it also. So 2 and 4/8 is a better answer than 20/8. Though if you can get 20/8, well, that's good. You learned something. But 2 and 4/8 means you've learned a little more, or maybe even a lot more. Now we're on page 173. We started on 172, like it says right there, but now we're on 173, so just look at 173. Here we go. Leo painted for 2/3 of an hour each day on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. How long did Leo paint this week? All right, so Leo painted for 2/3, and that's going to be times Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Well, that's, how many days is that? Count. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. That's 4 days. So doesn't it make sense to multiply times how many days there are? How many days was that? That was 4. 2 times 4 is simple enough. 2 times 4 is 8. And then that 3 gets to come along also. Okay. And 8/3 is an okay answer. It's not bad. It's not bad, it's not great, but it's okay. We can put a much better answer. We can. We can put a better answer by drawing first to help us see the better answer. Draw a little rectangle or something. And how many pieces should that rectangle be in? Look at the denominator. Okay, got 3 pieces, not bad. And we'll probably need more than one of them. Let's draw more than one. Let's draw a bunch. Let's draw 4. That's a good way to be safe and make sure we have enough. And then how many should we shade? Well, it says to shade 8. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I guess we didn't need that one, but that's okay. No big deal not to need that. We can just count what we have. We have 1 hole, another hole, and then we've got 1, 2 out of 3. So that's 2 shaded out of 3. And we got to add that all together. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2/3. This right here is an okay answer, but this right here is a better answer. 2 and 2/3. Ooh, I forgot to put a word. Hours, because it says hour. Ooh, for the other one, did I forget to put a word? I did. What were we talking about? We're talking about pounds. Pounds. Okay. One more, guys. Just one more. One more for tonight, and then we're done. Ooh, how do you say that name? Kareem? I don't know. Maybe one of you can tell me. Kareem biked 3/4 of a mile on Monday. Okay. On Tuesday, he biked 5 times this distance. The distance Kareem biked on Tuesday is between which 2 whole numbers? Circle the letter of the correct answer. First, let's do 3/4 times 5. And 3 times 5 is 15. 15 what? 15 over 4. Because, you know, the denominator is the same. And let's draw that to get a better answer. We need fraction models with how many pieces? Look at the denominator. 4 pieces. So let's draw some quick fraction models with 4 pieces in them. And let's shade how many they tell us to shade. They tell us to shade 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, just barely had enough space. Almost ran out. So what is that really? It's 1 hole, 1 hole, 1 hole, and then this is only 3 out of 4. And if you add it all together, 1, 2, 3, and 3/4, you're going to get 3 and 3/4 as a final, amazing, perfect answer. So it says, circle the letter of the correct answer. So it should be between. It said between. Between 0 and 1? No, it's 3. Between 1 and 2? No, it's 3. Between 3 and 4? Yeah, because it's 3 and 3/4. So, yeah, C. Lacey chose A as the correct answer. How did she get that answer? You know what I think? I think Lacey multiplied like we did, but she stopped right there at 15/4. And because it was 15/4 and not the better answer that we found, she couldn't see that it was actually between 3 and 4, not between 0 and 1. No. Lacey, you're wrong. So let's put that she didn't find the best answer by drawing fraction models to create a mixed number. All right, guys, that's all the homework we have for tonight. I know it was a little bit harder because we had to find the best answer tonight. But you should get used to finding the best answer because sometimes that's the only answer that matters, like in this example. All right, I'll see you guys for one more homework later. Thanks for joining me. Good night. Bye-bye. See you later.